English examination preparation to exit exam. The first question. By the time he arrived at the station, the bus is not arrived at on time at the station of the bus. So, the bus A. leaves, B. had already left, C. has left, D. will have left. እሱ ባስ ያለበት ቀደም ብሎ በጊዜ አልደረሰም። ባሱ ጋር ሲደርስ ባሱ ደግሞ የለም። ስለዚህ A. leaves, B. had already left, C. has left, D. will have left. ሶ እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎች ሲሰሩ መጀመሪያ ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? A አይሆንም፣ ኤኛውም ታስወግዱታላችሁ። ምክንያቱም ያወራ ያለው ምንድነው? By the time he arrived at the station dash ባሱ ጋር እሱ አርፍዶ ነበርና ባሱ ጋር ሲደርስ ባሱ በቦታ ላይ የለም። ባሱ ጋር ሲደርስ ምንድነው? ባሱ የለም። ስለዚህ እኛንም እናስወግድና መልሱ ምንድነው? B ነው። had already left. If I had known you were in town, I dash you to a dinner. If I had known you were in town, I would to dinner. A. will invite, B. would have invited, C. would invite, D. invited. ከተማ መሆኔን ባውቅ ኖሮ ራት ጋብዝ ነበር። ሶ ይሄውን እያወራ ያለው ምንድነው? ሶ አልጋበዘውም፣ አላገኘውም። ስለዚህ ምንድነው? አሁን ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? መጀመሪያ ይሄ አይሆንም ኤክስ ታደርጋላችሁ። ከዛ የኛንም እናውጣለን። ከሁለቱ አንዱ ነው ማለት ነው። would have invited, would invite. ሶ ያውን እያወራ ያለው ስለ ሰርድ ኮንዲሽናል ሴንተንስ ነው። ስለዚህ ስለ ሰርድ ኮንዲሽናል ሴንተንስ የተጻፈው የትኛው ነው? እኛንም እናስወግድና ይሄ ሰከንድ ኮንዲሽናል ሴንተንስ ነው እያወራ ያለው ሲለ። ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው። ምክንያቱም ከተማ መሆኔን ባውቅ ኖሮ ራት ጋብዝ ነበር። ሶ አላገኘውም፣ አልጋበዘውም፣ አላገኘውም። ስለዚህ would have invited ይጋብዝ ነበር። ከተማ መሆኔን ባውቅ ኖሮ ራት ይጋብዝ ነበር ያለ ነው። ስለዚህ ኮሬክት አንሰር B ነው። The teacher along with her students preparing for the annual ceremony. The teacher along with her students they preparing for the annual ceremony. A. are, B. were, C. is, D. have been. The verb is teacher. Teacher is single person singulars. The verb is the teacher. Who's the teacher? The one's only one. The single teacher. The her student preparing for the annual ceremony. So, the teacher indicated D is not. A is not R. The teacher is one. So, B is not indicated. Now, the with her student preparing for the annual ceremony. They are preparing now situation. So, the teacher is the verb of indicated. So, indicated. C is the teacher is the teacher along with the her student is they are preparing for annual ceremonies.